So the forum manager, located right here, is actually where all the categories of the forums are located. So here we have different forum categories. The general is always going to be there. You can't remove it. If I right click, the delete item is actually disabled. But I can also go to this training category here and delete this one. You'll see it's gone. But with this form manager, let me go ahead and I'll go to the actual form module because these two work together. You see we only have general and no subcategories. Now if I were to go to this form manager, drag over a new category right below general, give this a title called training, and just publish now. Save this and refresh the forum module. There's that training category. Now I believe I can also take this and make this part of this as a subcategory, training subcategory, publish now, and it's a subcategory. So let's go ahead and save, refresh this, and there's that subcategory. And that's how the forum manager works.